Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 3046R tractor. Tractor has four-wheel drive with cab, heat and air. Also has a John Deere 320R quick attach front loader. This is the premium 3R series tractor, largest horsepower in the 3R series family. It's a very, very nice outfit here. Again, the cab does have climate control with heat and air conditioning. The 320R loader is quick attach. Up front here on the bucket, you also have the John Deere style quick attach. Front bucket's nice. It does have the front grill guard. A few small scuffs and scrapes in the hood, but overall, very, very nice tractor. Does have the work lights on front and back of the cab. Also has doors on both sides of the cab. The wiper. It does have a rear hydraulic outlet back here. Complete 3-point with drawbar and top link. If you're looking for a tractor to blade some snow, mow some pastures, anything to that nature, certainly a very nice fit. Cab is nice and comfortable. It does have the air ride seat here for the operator. Has tilt steering wheel, 3 ranges in the hydrostatic transmission. Have all your load match, motion match, speed match controls over there to the right, and then also have your on your keypad there you have your cruise control and your max speed setting, which are also very nice features. You can see the tractor is very clean inside and out. Up top you have climate controls, and then also has a radio here top left of the cab. Also comes with the balance of the John Deere warranty, which runs into December of 2027. 740 hours on the machine. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.